Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So as you already know, I took a break and I went for a vacation. It was a really long vacation. So firstly I went to Mondarmuni, then I went to Shiliguri for a anniversary function of my uncle and aunt, and then later from there we were supposed to go to Gangtok, but we actually went to Nepal. So we went to Kathmandu and also Pokhara, and we had an amazing trip, you guys. Also, if you're hearing little noise, I'm so sorry. The kids are playing downstairs and they won't shut up for my videos. So बोल के भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. So कोई बात नहीं. I know you guys will understand. So in today's video, as you already know by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm going to talk about my skincare a little bit. So during the trip, obviously it was a road trip. It was fun but exhausting at the same time, and I actually knew I had to take care of my skin because whenever I do road trips, my skin gets dehydrated, it gets dull and also rough. So apart from my skincare routine, there was something also helping me out to take care of my skin, and that was this Setu Skin Youthful Powder. Now this has marine collagen. It nourishes skin from within. This one retails for rupees 2000 and it has 30 stick packs in it. Now this contains scientifically studied vital nutrients for your skin such as hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides and biotin. Also guys, this has high quality vitamin C, N-Acetylglucosamine and also zinc. Alright, so here are the packets. As you can see, it comes in a very cute packaging. So let me just quickly talk about how you can take this with water. Empty the content into half a glass of water, stir, let it dissolve and drink it. This powerful blend supports your body's natural collagen production. This is type 1 marine collagen in case any of you are wondering. Now this product actually helps to reduce pigmentation, wrinkles and roughness, and you can definitely notice once you start taking it. Now this also promotes hydration and firmness to your skin. Now it is also supposed to prevent damage caused by UV rays. So all in all, I think it's a very strong and a very good product for your skin. Okay, so I did love the product and I would definitely recommend it, and I will provide the link in the description box below. Also, if you use my code Shohini10, you will get 10% off on their website, so definitely do check it out. So right now I'm going to share my new skincare routine. I'm not using any active ingredients right now because my skin has been through a lot and I'm giving my skin a break for like 1 or 2 weeks. So I'm doing my skincare very minimal, and it's all about repairing my skin barrier and everything. So it's a very small routine and I hope you guys will enjoy. So the first product I'm using is the Yo Detox Face and Body Enzyme Scrub from Wistful. Now I personally like using this once or twice a week, not more than that, and it is a very nice enzyme scrub, so it's not going to tear up your skin, which I absolutely love. So I like to massage it for like 30 to 40 seconds and wash it off with some water. Next step, I'm using the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner Mist. I absolutely love this product. I can use it all day long. It's a very nice mist and I love it for my skin. It's very lightweight and also hydrating at the same time. Next, I'm using the Cosrx Snail 92 all-in-one cream. I like to take it a little bit and massage it really well into my skin. This works amazingly for oily to sensitive skin, and the texture is amazing. I absolutely love this. My last step for my skincare right now, it has to be the Sickle Fade by Avene. This is something which I absolutely love and I would highly recommend this product. It is a repair cream, so if you have very irritated skin, you can definitely go for this. So I like to take a little bit, apply this all over my face. You can take a little bit more and apply it on the irritated skin little more and leave it overnight and it repairs your skin. So that was it. That was my quick skincare routine that I have been following since I'm back, and I'm gonna follow this routine for 2 to 3 weeks, and then I'm gonna go with my active ingredients such as vitamin C, vitamin A and many more. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and I will see you guys on my next video. Also, I will mention all the product details in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and just subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.